Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Siemens EV charger with Siemens Smart Infrastructure. Full guide step by step clearly. To install a Siemens EV charger, first ensure you have the necessary tools and safety gear. Begin by checking local electrical codes to confirm compatibility with your installation plans. Gather your tools, including a screwdriver, wire cutters, and a drill. Next, identify the ideal location for your EV charger, preferably close to your vehicle's parking area. Turn off the main power supply to prevent any electrical hazards during installation. Install a dedicated circuit breaker in your electrical panel if one is not already in place. Next, run the appropriate gauge electrical wire from the breaker to the location of the EV charger. Ensure the wire is rated for your specific charger and meets local regulations. Use a conduit to protect the wire if it will be exposed to the elements. At the installation site, mount the charger securely following the manufacturer's instructions. Connect the electrical wires to their designated terminals on the charger. Double-check all connections to ensure they are secure and correctly wired. After confirming your work, turn the power back on at the electrical panel. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines to set up the charger's network connectivity options. Use the Siemens app to configure any smart features of your EV charger. Run a test charge to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Finally, review the installation to make sure all components are secure and safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.